Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel, and in this time this presentation is an ozone layer depletion. The things which you're gonna see are too easy because it's easy to learn and memorize, and if you analyze that thing you'll see that it's a relation video from the last videos which I gave. They were all about nature, and this is something that is about atmosphere. Last time I was saying about the biosphere, which is the four things, everything, but this is about the atmosphere, which is above the Earth's surface. So you're gonna learn something new. So let's see what's ozone layer depletion. Now let's start off with ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion is something which is, I said it already, it's easy. So you can see some of the pictures here, and you might have thought of it that it's destroying the ozone layer. We humans are destroying the ozone layer. Now let's see why it is done and how. Ozone layer. Ozone is a highly reactive molecule comprised of 3 oxygen atoms that occurs naturally in small amounts. The stratospheric ozone layer roughly 725 miles above Earth's surface. Introduction. Ozone depletion, gradual thinning of Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere caused by the release of chemical compounds containing gaseous chlorine or bromine from industry and other human activities. The thinning is most pronounced in the polar region, especially over Antarctica. Ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of ultraviolet radiation, which means UV radiation, that reaches Earth's surface, which increases the rate of skin cancer, eye cataracts, and genetic and immune system damage. What's the history of ozone layer? In 1969, Dutch chemist Paul Crutzen published a paper that described the major nitrogen oxide catalytic cycle affecting ozone levels. Crutzen demonstrated that nitrogen oxides can react with free oxygen atoms, thus slowing the creation of ozone O3, and can also decompose ozone into nitrogen dioxide NO2 and oxygen gas O2. Formation of ozone layer. Ozone is formed when the heat and sunlight cause chemical reactions between oxides of nitrogen NOx and volatile organic compounds, which are known as hydrocarbons. This reaction can occur both near the ground and high in the atmosphere. Causes of ozone layer depletion. Chlorofluorocarbon, CFCs, halons, and the other compounds deplete the ozone layer. These chemicals are found in cleaning agents, aerosols, in solving foam, and refrigerants. CFCs and halons break down into chlorine and bromine, which in turn destroy the ozone layer. Effects of ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion causes increased UV radiation levels at the Earth's surface, which is damaging to human health. Negative effects include increases in certain types of skin cancer, eye cataracts, and immune deficiency disorders. I said it already. UV rays also affect plant growth, reducing agricultural productivity. Now, measures to prevent ozone depletion. Products that release chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, such as cosmetics, hairsprays, room fresheners, etc., should be used in lesser amounts. Chemical fertilizers used in agriculture should be replaced with organic ones. Burning of plastics and rubber products should be avoided. Reports on ozone layer depletion. NASA ozone levels above the Arctic reached a record low for March. NASA researchers report. An analysis of satellite observations showed that ozone level reached their lowest point on March 12 at 205 Dobson units. While such low levels are rare, they are not unprecedented. Similar low ozone levels occurred in the upper atmosphere or stratosphere in 1997 and 2011. In comparison, the lowest March ozone value observed in the Arctic is usually around 240 Dobson units. As reports, Arctic stratospheric ozone depletion hit record low in March. Effects of lockdown on ozone layer is very good. Berlin reported that levels of two major air pollutants drastically reduced globally since lockdowns began in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. But a secondary pollutant, ground-level ozone, has increased in China, according to the new research. Two new studies published in the journal Geophysical Research Letters found that nitrogen dioxide pollution over northern China, Western Europe, and the US decreased by as much as 60% in early 2020 as compared to the same time last year. One of the studies also found that particulate matter pollution particles smaller than 2.5 microns decreased by 35% in northern China. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. It was a small one, but I think the information was very big to be given out. So thank you very much, and let's stay united.